Okay, going down into the abyss. See you guys later.
Are we there yet?
Today we're headed to Smith's Crack in Mountain Home for a little bit of spelunking. It's gonna be pretty adventurous, so we'll see you there. Alright, we're here. Smith's Crack. Smith's Crack! So we had to do a little bit of off-roading to get here. As you can see, vehicles are rather muddy. But we're at the crack. Smith's Crack!
I found a flat rock.
Matthew is on our adventure.
Terrified.
Uncle Jason. Hey. You've noticed him in previous videos. Aunt Feej. Feej, you want to introduce your friend here?
This is Kaden.
Kaden, along. And we've got Emma as well. So there's all our adventurers. And here, my friends, is Smith's Crack. Smith's Crack! Is this the entrance?
No, I hope not.
Where's that?
There was a hole over here.
So Smith's Crack is a fissure in the lava that has opened up, and it's actually a very deep fissure in the ground that you can climb down into. So we're gonna get geared up and we're gonna climb down there and see what we can find. So we're looking for the entrance here. Yeah, we'll get the flashlights out in a minute once we get down. I think we can get down right here, guys. We just need to be careful because it's definitely a little slippery on the entrance here. Okay, guys, come on down.
Oh my gosh,
I'm trying not to touch
Yeah, just don't touch the pigeon poos.
Here, my hand is kind of hard.
Here, just lower down. All right, here we go. Okay, Matthew. I got you. Come on. All right, we're in a very tight spot here, getting down into kind of the entry gallery. We're gonna get out flashlights right now,
doesn't fit
because
around.
we are about to go into the abyss.
It's dark out.
Yeah, there's a dead pigeon down.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so we're about to go in.
I can hear a pigeon.
Pretty tight quarters. So here we go. How's it looking?
Pretty terrifying.
All right, yep, this is the right way. Okay, guys. Careful, guys. We're gonna slide down this thing. Put your backpack in your,
I got you,
or your light in your thing. There we go. Oh.
Woo!
I landed in a dead bird.
All right. I think we're almost out of the pigeon gallery. Yeah, look at that. You can see up. Good job, bud.
Perfect, dude. That was awesome.
You made it. All right. We got a little descending of this rope here.
Okay, going down into the abyss. See you guys later. Any last words, Feej?
I can't reach.
No, dude, it's good. Yeah. Like that. Perfect.
Oh my gosh, no.
Okay. Like that. Perfect. Okay. Why don't you come down a little bit to me?
Where's, I just know where to move.
Yeah. Just,
No, I can't.
I got you. I got you.
You can lift him! can do it. That went terribly.
My brother. I'm good.
Okay, let Caden go ahead, guys. All right,
Oh, wait, I gotta get a picture. This is so cool.
let's continue into the crack.
This is awesome.
So guys, this is a fissure. It's just a hole, crack in the lava.
So now's as good a time as any to do a little edumacation. My name's Petey the Pigeon, and I live here in Smith's Crack with some of my buddies. Smith's Crack is a fissure in one of the basalt lava fields on the Snake River Plain. A fissure is just a big crack in the ground. And fissures can happen in many different ways. Smith's Crack probably formed when the lava cooled and became brittle, cracking open. Fissures can be hundreds of feet deep, and in volcanically active areas, new lava will often erupt back out of the fissure. Smith's Crack has been a popular place for experienced and amateur adventurers alike for many years. It goes down anywhere from 70 to 100 feet underground by some estimates. Don't come though if you don't like tight places. People have gotten stuck before, and that is no fun.
Making our way downtown, walking fast.
Following fast.
These shoes have about as much grip as a rubber duck.
When we get to the bottom, we'll turn off our flashlights and see how dark it is.
Experience true dark.
Guys ready?
We will not turn
Hey,
off.
nobody stick your hand in this, 'cause that will hurt.
Yeah. Okay, we'll let Caden go down first.
This is the big one, eh?
It's like 10 feet.
What?
Here, let me go down first, and then
Yes, please.
I'll be down there to help you guys. Oh yeah, this is a good size one. All right. Yeah. This is the big one. All right. Okay, guys, you ready to come down? I gotcha. Okay. Coming down. Okay.
Okay, low man, dude.
Here you go.
Okay, got him.
All right.
Alright.
Woohoo! We're down. All right, Emma, your turn.
Good job.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, you hold that. And with your other hand, there you go. Perfect. That's it. That's it. That worked great. Now you're gonna grab this rope, turn around backwards, and just start shimmying down. Don't worry. We're here. Okay? We got you. All right, you're good. Start coming down. Ouch, I got you. Okay.
A little lower. Yeah, I got you.
All right. All right, Feej, you're good.
Where did I put my left foot?
Hold on to the
Don't worry
rope.
about that.
What? What do you mean? Don't worry about.
Your left foot hangs the same distance.
Okay, get your right foot. Right there. Perfect. Lower it. Yep. Perfect. Now put your bring your right foot down to the wood.
I think the rope actually
here.
makes things
Come
much
here.
harder, to be honest.
Come here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can also go down that way.
This way's better.
That Jason's doing.
You're still in the sky. You're getting a Charlie horse! Ah!
This is the way down over here.
Wait, what's that?
The arrows.
Oh dear.
That's where we came from. Way up there.
Alright, here we go. We'll descend into the abyss.
Oh, yeah, I might need to my backpack through here. It's pretty tight. Woo. Yeah, I remember this section now. It gets pretty tight.
This is awesome.
You wanted an adventure.
This is sweet.
This is a tight hole.
I'm actually like I can't make it.
You got it, Pete.
I'm too stiff.
Your boyfriend is much bigger than you.
Okay, no, my hips are. I can't. There's a rock.
Come up a little bit. Move this knee. Switch your right and your left.
Hips don't lie.
Yep. Now come down.
You just hips are not lying right now.
Like that. Like that.
I can't.
Pull up the rope. Bring the foot down there.
My hips are.
He's just like, save yourself.
Okay, isn't that like perfect?
There's a fun dip at the end of this.
And she disappears into the abyss. Alright, my turn. Oh yeah, this is a tight little spot. I got it. I'm good.
Okay, and then it's just
It does feel like you're being birthed.
yeah, no, I was coming right here and my shirt went up to my shoulders. I'm like, whoa, that's chilling.
That is a nice crack. So we gotta get Jason coming through here. Lower your backpack.
This one's really fat. I mean, really skinny.
Grab that.
Yeah.
Melinda, this
Okay,
is a lot
I got it.
better.
Oh.
I can't finish that.
Backpack.
All right.
This is crazy.
So turn around. Yeah, just kind of hold on to the rope.
What?
Melinda, you're like, the top part is like off to the side.
Just hold on to the rope and
It doesn't fit on my head.
You can do it.
poke through there.
That's not gonna work.
You can fit. You got to twist.
Dang!
Okay, what?
Get the
Get your other knee down. You gotta
yeah
get both legs hanging down.
other knee.
No, get both of them down.
You just have to trust?
Both of them have to hang down. Just trust me.
The floor is not
Right
that
there,
far
right
away.
there, yep. Okay. Now,
Oh!
second birth.
Where's the ball?
It's just 2 feet below you.
That was the worst.
Probably the best one
Oh!
Let's keep going.
Oh, I gotta put the GoPro back on. 'Cause this is
Oh
such a
man,
close
that
one.
is a tiny hole.
I kind of want to.
Drop.
You can go through it.
That's a slippery hole too.
Yeah,
don't-
guys, and there's a drop at the bottom.
I don't think I want to go through that slippery hole. I want to go the other way. Look at the soil is red down here.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and you can carve stuff in it.
Oh, look, there's like a side chamber over there. So, well, the soil down here is very, very red. You can't even really see it in the camera view, how red this stuff is. Very, very red. The ceiling,
Next.
The ultimate trust.
ceiling is all lava. All old lava rock.
America.
Alright, big hole here.
Here,
I'm just gonna
And I am gonna
So,
literally, you're gonna be
this
hanging
is-
from me.
This is the bottom.
Got it.
Good
Good
job.
job. That's
Good
perfect.
job.
That's perfect. Go.
You made it. That's the bottom. Alright, Emma. Your turn. Come on over
I
here.
think that's the best way to do it.
Alright. There she goes.
And there we go.
And
Hold, you can use the rope if you want. You got it.
this is the bottom, guys.
Hang on, I think I forgot the backpack somewhere.
My turn to go down. Yeah, that way to the left is the dead end. Someone came in here and put a nicer rope because the last time we came,
It was just that short one.
there was terrible, like frayed old
That
rope.
one.
Yeah, look.
Nice.
Emma, what do you think? This crack.
Yeah, I'll take the view again.
This whole thing is a narrow crack.
No.
It's a Smith's crack. This is like crawl along the floor.
You guys, this is one of the coolest hikes I've ever done.
Stay there.
Having fun in Smith's crack. Through this small hole here. There's no way I could get through that.
No, the other one. No, look to the side.
Oh, I see this one. Yeah, I could fit through that. Alright.
Holy crap. I'll take this one.
I'm glad that it was small.
I'm gonna get stuck in this crack. You guys are gonna have to get the jaws of life down here.
There we go. Good job.
What is
There you go. Whoa! All right. We're going up. There you go. There he goes. All right. My turn.
Are you ready?
We'll come get you later,
Rope
Pete.
this with your right hand.
Just climb up the rope.
Right here. Sorry. I got kicked in the head too.
Alright.
It's okay.
So grab onto the rope, here, grab onto my hand. Grab on the...
You having fun in Smith's Crack? Yeah. Going up is pretty tight in this spot.
You guys are looking good up there. Wait, stop right there. Let me take a picture of you guys with my phone. This is a great spot.
Brave adventures. Yeah, I remember this part. This was the part that was, it's kind of a little sketchy. Getting up.
You've been saying that the whole time.
You have to maneuver.
Actually, this part's a little sketchy. This part, it's a little sketchy.
Oh, you're good. It's alright.
Okay, can you get to that spot where I was?
Climbing all the way up here.
Alright, we're doing worm's eye view.
This chasm's pretty big.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I see more arrows pointing down a tunnel.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
Look at this interesting mold growing here. No, serious. It's like hair.
Yeah, what the heck?
It looks like hair.
Oh, that looks just like that movie that just came out called Life, where it like attacks him.
You sure we don't have to go down first?
Isn't that weird?
That is weird.
For
Don't touch it.
For scale.
It's an alien life form.
Okay, we're on the home stretch. Almost out.
Rocks.
Just got to go up this last spot.
I found 2 baby pigeons. Yeah. Aww. I found 2 baby pigeons. I can't believe it.
Emerging.
Baby pigeons, bye.
Woo! Matthew, welcome to the world again. So this whole thing is what we were under. This whole long fissure. Now we just need Uncle Jason.
Baby pigeons. Are we there yet?
It's really slip and slide. Here's a slippery spot. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Need windshields. There you go. So, Smith's Crack.